Hi everyone, National Wireless here. So today we're going to do an unboxing and tech video for the latest Hytera PNC380 POC radio. So when you open the box, the first thing that you'll see is the radio itself. It's nice and compact and fits in the hands for ease of use. You do get some additional accessories inside the box as well. So the first up, you've got the belt clip. So the radio clips into this and then it easily clips onto your belt. You also have the 4000 milliamp battery. So this with one charge will last over 24 hours. Also the power cable, which is a USB port so you can plug it into a computer, or you've also got the power adapter. And finally you've got the lanyard which ties onto the radio. Next up, we'll go through the physical features of the radio as well as a few of the technical specifications.